What I've done here is this is exactly the same unit as the unit you've previously seen. This is what we refer to as the Casuarina unit, reverse cycle, heating unit, cooling unit. There's one slight difference with this, is this has got the R875 compressor in it. So this is slightly larger, just to give a demonstration of it. And what I've done is I've actually connected this to this domestic household unit here. Now, what it's doing is I can't really set it up in much of a demonstration without building a small room for it. But what we can see is that the ambient temperature has just risen to 28 degrees, and the refrigerant temperature in here is at 14 degrees, and the air which is coming out of here, if we press the T2, is 21 at the moment. So it's probably just more of a demonstration of the fact that this will do a domestic unit if we so desire, and it paves the way for having solar panels cool your home. So that's my purpose in hooking it up to this domestic unit. It's around about a slightly more than a kilowatt unit. This is about a 1.6 kilowatt unit, and it seems to be making it run happily. I haven't done any tests on it. I don't really have anywhere to do any tests, but the purpose in doing it is allow the viewer to see that it'll happily run something like that. The reason I haven't gone down this path terribly much is that the unit, the head unit, the cooling unit in the box is actually much more efficient than these units. So the unit in the box which you saw is about 350 long, so it's about the equivalent of this long, but it's actually a higher output than this. So the cooling capacity of the core inside that is considerably greater than this. So I would just imagine that if anybody's going to go down this path, we would use, rather than use a domestic unit from the shelf, you'd design and build your own unit.